In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend music with Suno AI. So if you've ever wanted to breathe new life into your favorite tracks, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Firstly, the most important thing to do is to log into Suno AI. If you haven't yet created an account, make sure you sign up. Once you're successfully logged in, you're greeted by your homepage. Here, you can select any song that you would like to extend. If the song you're looking for isn't immediately visible on the homepage, don't worry. You can simply click on the library option. This will give you access to all the music you have available on your account. Now, navigate through your library and find that perfect track you want to work on. Once you've found your song, look for the three-dot icon next to its title. This is your gateway to a variety of options. After clicking on that icon, you'll see an option labeled Remix Edit. Go ahead and select that. Now, you'll come across another menu where you need to choose Extend. This is where the magic starts happening. Once you've done that, you'll reach a new interface where you can add new content to your song. It's an exciting phase because it's all about creativity and personalization. Next, click on the cover option to add a new dimension to your music. Following that, you'll need to extend the track yet again by selecting Extend. This is about layering the creativity, so hang in there because we're really building up something special. This is your canvas, and it's time to consider the instrumental and vocal elements you want to incorporate. Start by clicking on Add Vocals. This will allow you to layer in some vocal tracks, making your music more dynamic and enriching the overall sound. Then, don't forget to add some instrumentals to the mix by clicking on Add Instrumental. This step is key in giving your song that full-bodied, robust sound. Both the vocals and instrumentals can significantly change the tone and feel of your music, so take a moment to explore different options that align with your style. Now, when you're ready to take it to the next step, click on Use Styles and Lyrics. This option provides you with various templates and lyric styles that can perfectly match the vibe and the journey you want to take your listeners on. Once you've settled on the styles and lyrics that best fit your vision, it's time for the final touch. Finally, click on Create, and that's it. Sit back as Suno AI works its magic, seamlessly extending your beloved track with new elements. You've just breathed fresh life into your music, making it unique and ready to share with the world. Thanks for watching and happy composing.